Guys, I have a problem. Everything I own is broken. So the rad went in my Toyota pickup the other day. As you see, the rad lost all of its fluid. It's in the bin underneath the truck. And yeah. And on my way to Fernie to go pick up a replacement rad, the Corolla's transmission decided to die. Oh, that's so cool. So, can't drive the truck, can't drive the Corolla. My wife's 4Runner, like, it leaks oil really, really bad, and I'm pretty sure it's coming from the oil pressure sensor, which I got a new one to replace it. So I can at least fix 2 out of 3 of our vehicles. Oh man, this is awesome. So yeah, that's my plan today. Get at least one running because we need a running vehicle. And yeah, we'll start with the truck because in theory, replacing a rad should be the easiest.
Tears on your face, regular, no room for despair. Faster and faster we ascend up above. The air is so much colder up here, I know. The stars are spinning like a mirror of the city, reflecting at our new home. Paranoid, don't worry, I've got a plan. Try to enjoy the weightless touch of our hand. The bloodstained past already fades from your mind. There's something new out here for you to believe.
And now that the new rad is installed, it's time to test it and check for leaks. And so far, it's looking good.
Funny way of showing us.
Well, it would appear the new radiator is a success. Doesn't appear to be leaking or anything, which is good. And another bonus to this rad is this is actually a rad for a manual truck, so it's actually longer. It doesn't have the tranny cooler lines or sections in it and stuff. So in theory, I think it might cool my truck better than the old rad anyways. Not that I ever had issues with that. So I wasn't actually able to fix my wife's 4Runner. The oil pressure sensor was actually a little bit bigger than the one I ordered, so it's the wrong part. Anyways, moving on to the next part of the video, I got sent a package from Analog Off-Road on YouTube, and he requested that I open it on camera. Now I actually know what's in the box, but let's open it up and check it out. Dude, you use so much packing material. Look at this. It's full. Alright, so you might be able to tell what these are now by the shape of them, but yeah, let's get into them. Now before I actually open these, I want to know what you think they are in the comments down below. So, pause the video, let me know what you think, and we'll see who gets it right. So these are IFS hubs. On the solid axle vehicles, or on the solid axle slot vehicles, you need to run wheel spacers essentially because the solid axle is a little bit narrower. But you can actually turn down your IFS hubs and run those instead of wheel spacers, and dang dude, these look like a brand new part. That's insane. if you really outdid yourself. Those look amazing. Like, they look like a brand new part. Anyways, there is going to be a full install and how-to video on those IFS hubs conversion for your Toyota solid axle, but that's for a later time. Anyways, guys, if you like this stuff, please remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace. And if you guys want to see how these hubs are made, make sure you go check out Analog Off-Road, link in the video description. He'll have a video up on these shortly.